Chapter 10: The Importance of Protecting Our Planet. As we delve deeper into our place in the universe, we cannot ignore the pressing need to protect our planet and ensure its sustainability for future generations. Our home, Earth, is a unique and precious jewel in the cosmos, a fragile habitat for all living things. It is our responsibility to preserve and protect it for ourselves, for future generations, and for the countless other species that call this planet home. The threats to our planet. In recent years, we have become increasingly aware of the many threats that our planet faces. Climate change, environmental degradation, and overpopulation are just a few of the many challenges that we must confront if we are to protect our home. These threats not only pose a risk to the future of life on Earth, but they also threaten to destabilize the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Climate change is one of the most pressing concerns facing our planet today. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and other human activities have led to an increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, which trap heat and cause the Earth's temperature to rise. This warming trend has already led to melting of polar ice caps, rising sea levels, and more frequent extreme weather events, such as droughts, floods, and hurricanes. In addition to the threats posed by climate change, environmental degradation is another major concern. Deforestation, habitat destruction, and the overexploitation of natural resources are just a few of the many ways that humans are impacting the environment. These activities not only disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems, but they also contribute to the extinction of species, the degradation of water and air quality, and other environmental problems. Overpopulation is a growing concern that threatens the future of life on Earth. As the world's population continues to grow, it is putting ever-increasing demands on our planet's finite resources, such as water, food, and energy. This, in turn, is leading to a growing number of environmental and social problems, such as soil degradation, water scarcity, and political instability. Mitigating the threats. Given the many threats to our planet, it is important that we take steps to protect it and ensure its sustainability. There are a number of ways that we can reduce our impact on the environment, including reducing our carbon footprint, protecting biodiversity, and conserving natural resources. Reducing our carbon footprint is one of the most important steps that we can take to mitigate the threats posed by climate change. This can be achieved by using clean and renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydropower. We can also reduce our carbon footprint by using energy-efficient appliances, using public transportation, and eating a more plant-based diet. Protecting biodiversity is another critical step that we can take to protect our planet. Biodiversity is essential for the functioning of ecosystems and the provision of ecosystem services, such as pollination, soil formation, and water purification. We can protect biodiversity by conserving natural habitats, reducing our use of toxic chemicals, and supporting sustainable agriculture and forestry practices. Conserving natural resources is another important step that we can take to protect our planet. This can be achieved by reducing waste, recycling, and using resources more efficiently. We can also conserve resources by investing in sustainable technologies, such as energy-efficient buildings, and by supporting conservation programs and protected areas. As we consider our place in the universe, it is important that we take steps to protect our planet and ensure its sustainability for future generations. Climate change, environmental degradation, and overpopulation are just a few of the many challenges that we must confront if we are to ensure the survival and flourishing of our species and the planet we call home. These issues not only affect us, but also countless other species that inhabit the Earth, and the delicate balance of ecosystems that support life as we know it. It is our responsibility as stewards of this planet to take meaningful action and make changes that will have a positive impact on the future of our planet and the universe as a whole.